Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Tech Phantom. So today on Twitter, OnePlus finally revealed its OnePlus 9 series product launch. So here are all the rumors which you need to know about this phone, such as the launch date, the specification, the phones which are going to launch across the series, and how you can live stream or watch that live event. So without wasting any further time, subscribe to our channel and also press that bell icon and let's get started. So the very first thing which we talk about the launch date of these phones, the phones are going to launch on 23rd March at 7:30 p.m. in India. Now if we talk about the key specification of the smartphone, it will come with a 6.55 inch of 120Hz Super AMOLED panel for the OnePlus 9 Pro series, and also it will be having a rear camera of 48 plus 48 plus 8 megapixel of triple cameras on the panel. And also it is expected to come with 12 gigabytes of RAM with the internal storage bumped up to 256 gigabytes. The battery capacity is also will be upgraded to 4500 mAh. The display resolution will be of 1080 by 2400 pixels per inch and it will run on Android 11. Now, if we talk about how you can watch this live stream will be that this time OnePlus will be hosting a live event on their website itself, which is the oneplus.in. So go that to your website and check it out if it's available to you and if you can watch on the website of the OnePlus. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.